In this video, we will see how to install ChatGPT desktop app on macOS. This video is for MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac and Mini Mac. ChatGPT desktop app is not available yet for Windows users. It is only available for the macOS at the moment. To quickly access ChatGPT app, the shortcut is Option plus space to open the ChatGPT app on macOS. To install the ChatGPT desktop app, you need to go to the browser and you need to go to the URL openai.com/chatgpt/download. I have also given this URL in the description below. There are two options here, one is for the mobile and one is for the desktop macOS. There is no option for downloading it for the Windows yet. Click on the download for macOS and the installer will be downloaded here. Click on the downloaded installer. You need to drag the ChatGPT to the applications. In this way, ChatGPT application will be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, you need to go to the Finder and under applications, you can see the ChatGPT logo. You need to double click on it and click on open. Now ChatGPT is available for you to use. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.